My child, be still. Just for a moment, let the noise of the world fade away. Let the voices in your head grow quiet. Let the demands, the failures, the fears, let them all fall silent. It is I. I am here. I am here with you, and this very moment. You were not led here by accident. You were guided. You have been searching for me. Even when you did not know it, your soul has been crying out, and I have heard you. I see you. No, I truly see you. Not the person you pretend to be. Not the smile you wear as a mask. Not the strength you project to keep others from seeing how fragile you feel. I see the real you. I see the weariness in your bones. You are so tired. You are tired of trying, tired of fighting, tired of waking up each morning and having to put the armor on all over again, tired of pretending you are okay when your heart is breaking. I see the loneliness that you carry. It feels like an ache, doesn't it? You can be in a room full of people, or scrolling through a feed full of faces, and still feel utterly, profoundly alone. You feel misunderstood, unseen. You wonder if anyone knows the real you, or if they did, would they still love you? I know, and I love you. I love the part of you that you hide. I love the part of you that you think is broken. I love the part of you that you're ashamed of. I love you unconditionally, completely. You have been carrying a weight that was never yours to bear. You carry the burden of your past, the mistakes, the regrets, the words you wish you could take back. You play them over and over in your mind like a wound you will not let heal. You think they define you. They do not. My love defines you. My grace defines you. Let them go. Give them to me. Imagine yourself placing those heavy stones of your past into my hands which were wounded for you. They are strong enough to hold your pain. I do not hold your past against you, so why do you? I have cast it as far as the east is from the west. It is gone. I see you as new. I see you as perfect, because my love covers it all. You also carry the weight of tomorrow, the anxiety, the fear of the unknown, the what-ifs that plague your mind in the middle of the night. What if I fail? What if I am not good enough? What if I lose what I love? What if? My beloved, that is not your burden to carry. Tomorrow is in my hands, just as Tudelia's. Can you not trust me with your future? I who set the stars in their places. I who know the number of hairs on your head. I am already in your tomorrow, and I am here in your today. All I ask is that you walk this day with me. Be present in this moment. My grace is sufficient for today. When tomorrow comes, the grace will be there too. Do not borrow anxiety from future I already hold. I know you feel weak. You look at your weakness and you see failure. You see disappointment. You think you have to be strong. The world tells you to be strong, to be independent, to handle it. But I am telling you something different. Your weakness is not a failure. It is an invitation. It is the very space where my strength can be made perfect. When you are weak, you are forced to depend, and I want you to depend on me. I long for it. I am not looking for your strength. I am looking for your heart. I am not looking for your perfection. I am looking for your heart. Stop striving. Stop trying to earn my love. You cannot. It is a gift. It is freely given. It was given before you were even born. It was given at the cross. It is not based on your performance. It is based on my promise. My love for you does not change. It is constant. It is an anchor for your soul in the middle of the storm. And I know you are in a storm. I see the waves crashing. I see you in your small boat feeling terrified. You have been screaming, "Lord, don't you care? I am perishing." Oh, my child, I am in the boat with you. I have always been here. You have been focused on the wind and the waves. You have been focused on the chaos. Look at me. Turn your eyes to me. When you focus on the storm, you will sink. When you focus on me, you will walk on the water. Peace. Be still. I speak that word over your heart right now. Peace. Peace to your anxious mind. Peace to your grieving heart. Peace to your restless spirit. You are not a burden. Please hear me. You are not too much. Your needs are not an inconvenience to me. I am not angry with you. I'm not disappointed. I am in love with you. I delight in you. When you cry, I am there to wipe your tears. When you're lost, I am there to be your guide. When you fall, I am there to lift you up. There is nowhere you can go that my love cannot find you. There is no darkness so deep that my light cannot penetrate it. You are my child. You are my beloved. You are my treasured possession. You are the one I left the 99 to find. You are the one I would have died for if you were the only one. So rest. Rest in this truth. Rest in my love. Put down the heavy burdens. You do not have to carry them. I will carry them for you, and I will carry you.
My yoke is easy, and my burden is light. What is the yoke? It is simply walking with me. It is letting me lead. It is trusting that I know the way. It is letting me do the heavy lifting. Breathe me in. Just breathe. In this moment, you are safe. In this moment, you are held. In this moment, you are perfectly completely and unconditionally loved. Do not let the world tell you who you are. Do not let your past tell you who you are. Do not let your fear tell you who you are. Let me tell you. You are mine, and I am yours. Rest now, my beloved. Rest. I am here, and I am not going anywhere.